Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video we are going to go over a basic item of the Silhouette Cameo. This is the Silhouette CAMEO Autoblade. It comes with the Silhouette CAMEO 3 and up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about how this works, how can you tell your blade depth, and what the heck is this thing for? So we're going to talk about these two items and how they work together and are really one of the biggest parts of your machine. So if you want to learn how to use your Silhouette CAMEO 3 and more particularly how this Autoblade works, then go ahead and keep on watching. To understand how your Autoblade works, you really have to understand how it works with your entire machine. So we designate how deep our blade is going to be and all the settings associated with this blade in our Silhouette software. So that's the same. You can see if you look, there's a little red line. It's right here. That indicates how deep our blade is. So the way that your blade adjusts is that there's little notches right here next to our Autoblade. And so our Autoblade is going to go over and adjust itself to the designated depth. And the way that it adjusts is it has this little end piece and it clicks. So if you click it, you can see that the blade indicator moves. So let me see if I can do this while holding it like this for you. So you can see the blade is moving. Now if you're having an issue with your blade not adjusting well, one thing to do is to manually click it yourself, bring it all the way up to 10 and all the way down to 0 to help kind of recalibrate it. When you do it, it is very sharp right here. That's your blade. So be careful. That's where this comes into play. You can use this, hold it there, use that to click it as well. You can also use this piece here to clean out your blade. Sometimes you might have debris in there. So if you notice, this little piece has some flat edges right here, and there are flat edges with my blade right here. So they just line up, and then you start turning, and this will take this top part off. I'm not going to take it out all the way because I want to show you the next part, but that's how you would take it off. And so the next thing you want to do is make sure you have your blade loaded correctly. Now there are two carriers on your CAMEO 3. If you look, there are little notches on the first one, and there are little notches on the back of your blade as well. This is what your blade fits into for the carrier. So it'll fit in this first one when you open it. So let's go ahead, bring this open, and then it'll fit right in. And you just want to make sure it's down all the way and close your little carrier there. Now, if you were to try to put this on the other side, it wouldn't work because it doesn't have spots for those notches down there. Now, the cool thing about the CAMEO 3 is if you don't want to use the Autoblade, you can put any blade in here. The Autoblade just doesn't work in your second carrier. But that is a quick overview of the Autoblade. Whenever you are cutting, just make sure you have your blade down all the way and that your carrier is closed. You'll know it's closed because there'll be a little blue dot right where the circle is to indicate it. So that's a quick overview of the Autoblade on the Silhouette CAMEO 3. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below. Let us know what other videos you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We put up new videos all the time and we're ready to help you get started with your CAMEO.